So for all those who miss out on that passion thing, there's all that other good stuff.
Okay.
But I don't think that will be you.
You don't?
See, I see a big passion in your future.
Really? You do?
I do.
Oh, Rose, you're so great. It's never gonna happen.
What?
You and Rachel.
Why not?
Because you waited too long to make your move, and now you're in the friend zone.
Oh, no. I'm not in the zone.
No, Rose, you're mayor of the zone.
I'm taking my time, alright? I'm laying the groundwork, every day. I get just a little bit closer to...
Please don't. Rose, I'm telling you, she has no idea what you're thinking. If you don't ask her out soon, you'll end up stuck in the zone forever.
I will. I'm just... See, I'm waiting for the right movement. What? What now?
Oh, what's messing you up? The wine, the candle, the moonlight. Just go up to her and say, look, Rich. Why are we shushing?
We are shushing because we are trying to hear something.
What?
Don't you hear that?